Hi everyone! I started my cleansing yesterday. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo kung ano yung ginagamit ko. This is Fiber System, a product of For Life. And then, I have this BioEFA and Reuvida sticks. So, yan yung main talaga na ginagamit ko for cleansing. This is for 10 days. Ayan, 10 days po ito. So, paano ko na ano to? Ito ay niredeem ko mga previous month. So, mga free redeem points ko. So, hindi ko na siya binili. So, this one. And I am adding, prebiotics. Ayan. So, nagtitake ako ng prebiotics. Tsaka digestive enzyme. So, yun yung mga ginagamit ko. And I have lots pa na, alam niyo yun, nakuha ko lang siya for free since I am an affiliate of For Life, so I don't need to go to ano po, may mga cleansing center to do my hydrocolonic. I will just do that for like mga ano lang. Every 5 years, hydrocolonic, yun ang gagawin ko. But yung yearly ko na colon cleansing, ay ito yung ginagawa ko. So, it helps me a lot and I was able to get rid of my maintenance. So, try nyo rin po siya. It really helps us kasi kailangan din nating linisin yung mga gut natin. Ayun. So, I've been trying this new product, aloe vera sticks. Yan yung ititake ko after ko mag-colon cleansing. So, you can try this. You can message me if you have any questions about this. And I can help you. Ayun. Matutulungan ko kayo on how to do this. So, that's for now. I hope it helps. Huwag po kayo mahiya if you have some questions. Thank you so much.